What's up, everyone? It's me, your Solitary Jean Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Diaries, a mega lab shoutout mga ka-RCFC all over the world. We are back for another Well Carvino reaction video, and this is for your requested performance for the song Speak Softly Love. I don't know who is the singer or sino kumanta ng Speak Softly Love. This is the first I'm going to hear it, and it's going to be sang by our Bunso Ruel Carrillo. That's why I'm so excited for this, and thank you so much for requesting this performance. Sa ano ata to, Eat Bulaga, yung parang by request ng mga members sa YouTube. So, very exclusive siya. At nakita natin siya kay Istoryahan Kita. Mega love shoutout Istoryahan Kita for uploading this so you'll be able to react to it. So, before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Here it is, guys. Ay, pogi ng Bunso. In fairness, ha? Ang ganda na ng styling talaga ng Bunso, guys. Ang pogi. Oh my God, who's the singer of this, guys? Grabe bagay kay Ruel. Let's go back to that.
Speak softly, love, and hold me warm against your heart.
Love the thin notes.
I feel your words, the tender trembling moments start. We're in a world
Love that emotion.
sharing a love that only few have ever known.
Oh my God, that thin notes, vocal escalation, and that low tone, sobrang give na give ni Ruel sa atin, and you feel that emotion, guys. Saka iba ang datingan talaga ni Ruel ngayon, guys. Grabe ang styling at parang nagkalaman ang Bunso, Ka-agree ba kayo, guys? Comment down below.
Wine-covered days, warmed by the sun.
Saka Ruel Carrillo vocal na talaga.
When we are one, speak softly, love, so no one hears us but the sky.
Serenading
The
vocal.
vows of love we make will live until we die.
Grabe, iba yung serenading vocal ng Ruel. Nakakabilib. Saka, nami-mesmerize ako sa glow up ng Bunso for today's video. Grabe. Balikan natin.
So no one hears us but the sky. The vows of love we make will live until we die. My life is yours.
Love that scooping note.
Because
What? Oh my God. Grabe. Scooping note and that sustained high notes. Oh my God. Let's go back to that. Narinig niyo ba, guys? Sorry, ang daldal ko for today's video.
until we die. My life is yours. And all because
Sustained. Then low tone.
so softly love.
Grabe yun. Grabe yung vocal escalation. Focus na focus siya.
My life is yours. And all because
Wow!
you came into my world with love so softly.
Oh, hold on, guys. Did I hear Ruel Carrillo doing head tone? Oh my God. Parang first time ko narinig ng head tone ng ganito si Ruel. No? Tama ba ako, guys? You can comment down below. Grabe yun, in fairness. Let's go back to that. At saka yung switching from that sustained high notes, vocal escalation, tapos low tone, and then nag-head tone, soft tone ang Ruel. Iba.
So softly.
Woo! Nakita nyo naman ang reaction ng Lucky. Yes! Agree ang isang Lucky Robles. Wow! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is Bunso Ruel Carino singing Speak Softly Love, showcasing a vocal spectacle with this very short and brief rendition of this song. Grabe yung pinakita ni Ruel dito for today. Ibang klaseng vocal styling. At para sa akin, parang first time na pinakita niya sa atin na iba't iba yung genre, no? Ng kanyang atake sa isang kanta lang. Which is so good. Nakakagulat. I love the glow up first. Yung itsura, the outfit, and the way that he's so focused in singing. Grabe yun. Tapos nakita yung reaction ni Lucky. Sobrang nabilib siya, no? Kasi ibang pinakita ni Ruel. And that vocal prowess na pinakita niya dito and the high notes and that soft tone, head tone, oh my God. Ruel is like, alam niyo yun, he's coming out of his shell, right? From the clone of Matt Monroe to his own original artist, which is nakaka-proud at nakakatuwa. And also, nakita ko sa comment that he will be part of the Lenten season of Eat Bulaga. Oh my God, guys, acting na talaga, acting era ang Bunso. Kaya abangan natin yan, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga scenes niya na compilation para dyan sa Lenten season. Kasi for sure, hindi natin pwede reactan yung buong episode dahil alam niyo naman, delikado yan. But of course, hindi natin palalagpasan ng mga ganap na yan ng Bunso. And thank you so much for always supporting our reaction for Bunso Ruel Carino. And if you enjoy this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.